Hey guys, it's me, Ronnie Boy. Hope you guys are excited because today we are gonna learn the choreography to my song, the cleanup song, which looks a little something like this.
You know that it's time to clean all your toys. Yeah. You know that it's time to clean all your toys. You know that it's time to clean all your toys. Hey. So let's have some fun to get it all done. Let's clean all our toys.
If it's your first time dancing ever, don't trip, don't be nervous or scared or anything like that. Get up off your couch and come dance with me because honestly, I don't even care if you get it perfect or not. All I care about when it comes to my music is that you have fun. And that's what the cleanup song is about. It's about having fun while you're cleaning up your toys, your house, your car, your apartment, whatever it is you're cleaning up. It's not perfect, but you're having fun doing so, okay? So we're gonna break it down very slowly, and if you can't catch it, just watch the video over again. You'll get it, I promise, okay? Okay, so for the first move, we're basically gonna be sweeping the floor. It's gonna look a little something like this, right? I got my broom here with me. We're gonna scoop twice to each side, okay? Just like this, okay? So without the broom, we're gonna take our hands, sweep to your right, sweep to your left, sweep to your right, and sweep to your left. If you're gonna do it the same way that I'm doing it, I'll turn around so you can follow me, okay? So here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, right, left, left, just scoop, right, right, left, left. And that's it. So now we'll work on our legs, all right? So basically you're just gonna be galloping in the direction of your scoop. So if you're going to your right, you're gonna go like this. Lift your leg up, gallop, 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 okay? I'll do it this way so you can follow me too, okay? Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, scoop, scoop, gallop, 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 gallop. That's it, good job. Let's do it with music, okay? You guys ready? It's a little fast. We'll do it a couple of times, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, gallop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it, good job. Do it one more time, okay? And remember, just scoop to each side twice, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it, good job. Okay, moving on, the next move, you're basically gonna take your hand, move to one side, and go like this. It's almost like saying yes. You're gonna move to the other side and go yes. One more side, yes. And the fourth time, yes, okay? And with your legs, again, move in the direction of your yes, like this. Like this, this is it. This is all you're doing, okay? You can make a fist when you get to the other side, okay? I'll turn around, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left. And that's it, huh? Now let's do it from the top very slowly, okay? From the scooping until the yeses, okay? So here we go, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's the yes. Right, yes, right, yes, right, yes, right, yes. One more time, okay? And then we'll do it with music, all right? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, scoop, scoop. Do it again and again. Here we go with the yeses. Right, yes, left, yes, right, yes, left, yes. Let me turn around, do it one more time with me. I'm gonna do it a little faster in the speed of the music, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Scoop here, scoop here, scoop, yes, scoop, yes, scoop, yes, scoop, yes. Good job. I knew you could do it. Why are you doubting yourself? You got this. All right, now let's do it with music, okay? Here we go. Remember scoop, then the yeses, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Let's do it the other way, okay? You got it. I believe in you. Follow me, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You know that it's time to scoop, 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 scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Yes. That's it, y'all. You got this. Woo. I'm getting tired. Okay, so moving on, the next move we're gonna do, I call it the swan, and I don't really know why, because it doesn't really look that much like a swan to me, but I call it the swan, so that's what we're gonna call it for this video, okay? So hands only, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use our right hand, and we're gonna move back, and we're basically gonna go like this, okay? It looks like this, or behind me looks like this. All right? So we're gonna go like this, move back pretty much, okay? And then you can clap if you want, and then move to the left. Now do it to the right. Now do it to the left. Okay? So that's pretty much all it is. You're gonna go like this, like, swan, swan, just like that, swan. You can do this all over your house if you want, just like this. Hey, 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 hey. So basically, I don't know what this is, but let's just call it the swan, right? So with the legs, you're gonna move back. So if you're starting with your right hand, you're gonna move back to the right side, okay? So it's gonna be like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and then the left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Do it with me again. So here we go, 5, 6, 7 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the very top, it scoops to yeses to the swan thingy that Ronnie Boy does, okay? So very slowly, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, yes, 2, yes, 3, yes. And swan, right. Go back, go back, go back. Yeah. Let's do it again, okay? I'll do it facing around so you can do it with me, okay? So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. Let's do it with music, okay? Whew, I am really tired. I really gotta step my cardio game up. Okay guys, here we go, all right? You're doing great. It's a little fast, but you got it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go yes, and yes, yes, yes. Swan. 2, 3, 4. Swan, swan. That's it. So one more time in this direction. You got it. Keep it up, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Yeses. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 5, yes. Swan. Hey. 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 And that's it. We are almost there. We just have pretty much 1.5 more moves and we got it. Okay, so after we finish that last swan right here, we're gonna do a move called the Griddy. You see a lot of football players do it, some basketball players, a lot of sports people do it basically. And pretty much what you're doing with your hands is you're gonna swing back, you're gonna swing up and cover your face, you're gonna swing back, you're gonna swing up and do something else like this, like goggles, like you see me do in the video, okay? So you're gonna go like this, back, forward, back, goggles. Or whatever you wanna do. You can go back, forward, back, you be creative and do whatever you want to do for that last move, okay? I'm just gonna stick with the goggles because I'm just used to that already by now. So, okay, without music, let's do it. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So behind me looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also too, I forgot to mention, you're gonna be hunched down like this, okay? Because your legs, you're gonna be moving with your legs with your heels, all right? So basically, at least from what I know, you're gonna be stepping with your heels like this. Just your heels, this part of your foot right here, okay? So you're just basically gonna be like this. Hey, hey. Try it with me now. Go like this. Heel, 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 heel. So I'm not really tapping with the top of my foot. I'm basically just walking or skipping almost, like with my heel. Hey, hey, hey. And you're gonna be using your hands at the same time, all right? I know it's a little confusing, but just try it to the best of your ability, okay? So you're gonna like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it again. and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're hunched back, remember, you're hunched back like this. So you're gonna look like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. I know, it's weird. Try it again, okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty much it. We'll do it from the top, no music, slowly, let's go. So 5, 6, 7, and scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go with the yeses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with a swan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Let's do it one more time without any music, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and scoop. 1, 2, 3, gallop in that. 5, 6, 7. Here we go, the yeses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. 6. Swan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. You're gonna do it behind me, it's like this. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, yes. 2, yes. 3, yes. 4, yes. Swan. 2, 3, 4, and Griddy. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And that's it. Let's try it with music. You're doing a good job. Keep it up. Keep it up. There you go. Just have fun, all right? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the yeses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Griddy. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good job. Let's do it one more time, okay? Here we go. You're doing a good job. All right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Griddy. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. We are almost there, boys and girls. The last move that we have is basically cleaning your hands. You are done. You did a great job cleaning up all your toys, your room, your car, your house, anything and everything. Okay? So again, after that Griddy, you're gonna go like this, okay? So you're gonna go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That 8 could be any pose you want. You can copy me if you want. I go like this. My nephews like to go this. They like to dab it. I don't even know if I'm doing that right, but they like to dab it, you know? So again, from the Griddy, it's gonna go like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. Or whatever pose you wanna do. Whatever it is you feel like, go ahead and do it, okay? All right, so let's do it from the top. No music, slowly. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 7, 8, and 1. Yes. 2, yes. 3, yes. 4. Here with Swan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Griddy. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and hey! Yeah! You guys are doing great. Okay, let's do it one more time, a little faster, all right? Because the music is kind of fast, all right? Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yes. 2, yes. 3, yes. 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, Swan. 5. With the Griddy, here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. One more time behind me, and then with music, okay? So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Griddy. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Hello. That's it, y'all. Let's do it with music a few times. Have fun. Do whatever you want to do at the end. And that's it. Let's go. You're doing great. Here we go. You know it all. 5, 6, 7, and 3, 4, 5, 6, So here we go. The yeses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Griddy. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hi. Not bad. Let's do it one more time, okay? You're doing great. I love what you're coming up with at the end. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Griddy. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Hey. Good job, guys. I'm gonna turn around in case you want to do it the same way I'm doing it, all right? Good job, guys. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, Swan. 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 Here we go. Let's clean all our toys. Hey. Let's do it one more time, and this time I want you to have as much fun as you possibly can as you do the routine, okay? Let's do it. Keep it up. Have fun. Perform it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clean it. We're gonna say yes, we did it. Yes, we clean. Yes, we clean. Yes, and Swan. Hello. What's up? I'm cool. I know it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and ha! You did it! Yay! Congratulations, boys and girls. You have taken your first dance lesson with Ronnie Boy. And that's pretty much it. Great job on doing it. If you couldn't catch it and you had a hard time figuring out what I was doing, go ahead and just watch the video over. Eventually you'll get it, okay? Keep it up, keep practicing at home, record yourself, post it online, show all of your friends, because I bet you look really cool doing it. Thanks again for watching, and as always, it's me, Ronnie Boy. Peace. Woohoo! I am sweating. Sheesh, can't even touch my own face.
So let's have some fun to get it all done. Let's clean all our toys. There's toys on the carpet.
Ronnie Boy.